What up, guys? You know, it's Marty. Anyway, guys, today, guys, I'm parked here, right here by the ocean and everything, so you can see a nice ocean view and everything. You know, hopefully you can see it all right and everything. You know, shooting this on my iPhone or whatnot, what have you. Also, you might notice we in the Ranger, guys. We in the Ranger. You know, the old Danger Ranger. Well, guys, you probably know by the title of this video. Having problems with the Maverick, guys. You know, I got myself a 2022 Ford Maverick hybrid and everything. And boy, guys, do I have issues with that thing and everything. So, on the little display, it came up, rear belt fault, seek service. You know, something like that. So, I go to the dealership last Monday. I had an appointment and everything. And I go, hey, can you fix this? And the guy goes, all right. So I wait about 90 minutes. And the guy comes out to me and he goes, yeah, you need a new seatbelt. And I said, do I need a new driver's side seatbelt? Because like the little icons and everything show like a question mark. Or sometimes it has like an exclamation point. And he goes, yeah, you need a new driver's side seatbelt for some reason. So I got to do that. And I got to like replace the sensor too, I think. So I go, all right, we'll schedule that and everything. So he schedules it for Thursday, guys. You know, this last Thursday. I drop it off and like at 8 in the morning, and I said, hey, need this by noon, latest 1 o'clock. And the guy goes, no problem. We'll get it installed. You know, it'll take like an hour. You know, you'll be good to go way before then and everything. So guys, guess what? Gets to be noon and everything. And they call me up and they say, hey, we got the new buckle installed. Now I'm like, did they just like install like one of these dealies? Or did they install like the whole thing? I don't really know. But the guy said they got that done, but it's throwing codes and everything. So if you're unaware, guys, you see these like older vehicles, they just have like that and everything. The new vehicles have all these like touch screens and dashboards and everything. You know, basically tells you what's wrong with the vehicle. That's why I took it in, because it said fault seek service and everything. So I was like, I'm seeking service. And guys, so he's like, yeah, it's just throwing codes. Could you leave it with me? I need some more time with it. So I go, all right. So, guys, it's Saturday now, and I don't believe they work on the weekend. And on Monday, it's a holiday. So the guy's like, what do you want to do? And I said, well, I like for it to get fixed and everything. You know, I brought it to you. It was completely fine. It just needed, like, I guess, a seatbelt. So you should just replace the seatbelt, and you know, like, did something with the computer. And bada bing, bada boom, good to go and everything. But I don't know, guys. Hopefully, it's not like one of those things where the longer it sits at the dealership, the more money they get from like the Ford Motor Company, because you know it's still under warranty and everything. So who knows, guys? Who knows? But you think they would be able to fix it? You know, hopefully they like replace the sensor and everything, because if the sensor is the problem, you think they would replace the sensor. But I really don't know what's happening, guys. You know, so it's currently at the Ford dealership. You know, so I'm driving the old Danger Ranger, and then guys, I get into this vehicle the other day, and the dang check engine light pops on this one. So we got issues, guys. We got issues. But you know, tell you what. So just another day here. You know, so anyway, I just want to come at you, yeah, let you know what's happening, guys. You know, what's popping, you know, what's crack-a-lacking. And yeah, so it was a glorious day. I got to walk in a little bit earlier on today. I'm going to watch some of that division round playoffs of football. Should be a good time and everything. I heard there's some new dipping burritos at Taco Bell. Might try those out tomorrow, you know, on the main channel, you know, with Marty Kauffman. But guys, I don't know. This thing, Ford Maverick, you know, Ford Maverick, it gives me problems, guys. It's giving me problems. So, don't really know about that. But, yeah, so, who knows about that? Who knows if I should just, like, trade it in for some other vehicle, sell it off and everything. Maybe just sell it, see what's wrong with this old Danger Ranger, and you keep on driving the old Danger Ranger, you know. It's, what is it, like, I think it's at least 22 years old, this thing and everything. So, you know, this thing, it's a good runner, the old Danger Ranger. But yeah, guys, anyway, let me know in the comments below what you think is wrong with the Maverick, and you know what you think I should do. I've for some reason I've always wanted to get one of those Cayenne Porsches, but you know, that's probably way too much money. But you know, I always wanted to get myself one of those Japanese mini trucks, but you know, then it's kind of iffy with like the whole licensing deal and registration and everything. Also, they have to be at least 25 years old for them to be legal in the United States of America. So who knows about all that stuff, guys. But anyway, thanks for watching. Keep spreading the good vibes only, and stay tuned for the saga. You know, what's to come. You know, I'll keep you informed when I hear something more, you know, but may not be till Tuesday and everything. So who knows about that. So Marty out. Burp.